Hello and welcome to my channel, Unboxing Discovery by G. I'm G, or Gina, whatever you want to call me. I'll answer to both, but most people say I answer to G better. Okay, today I've got the Art Deco December Artisan Bound Box by the Appalachian Artisan. They have it wrapped nicely. I'm sorry if that's backwards. This is how it came. I'm not going to show you my address, but let's pop up in this box and see what they have for us today. This is the second time I've gotten this box. Oh, let me find my scissors. Hang on. Anybody else have that trouble? You put stuff out because you know you're going to need it and then you can't find it. It's me all the time. All right. Anyway, like I was saying, this is the second time I've gotten this box. The first time they had sent me a bath salt and it had busted open in transport. It was spilt everywhere. I contacted a lady. She got back to me almost immediately, apologized to me, sent me another bath salt. Super sweet. Love great customer service. If you're watching my other videos, you know I can't say enough about good customer service. It is so important to a company. I mean, if you reached out to somebody with something messed up and they give you a hard time, run around, don't want to replace it, you just lose respect for that company. But when people get back to you quickly, they get you what was messed up quickly, it gives you respect for the company, and it kind of endears them to you, or it does to me anyway. I don't know. I may be the only one that's like that, but let me know what you think about that. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. All right, on the front here, it says what's in the box. So it's a list of everything that's in the box. There's 4 things in here, and it lists what the prices are of those things. Let's see. Oh, look, y'all. Oh, this is made out of Himalayan sea salt. That is so cute. A cute little ornament. Oh, I think I almost like it better like that. Isn't that awesome? And you know this stuff is handmade. You can just tell. And I don't know. I appreciate something that's handmade. I appreciate something that's made with love. You know, it makes it a little more special to me. Actually, that is not listed on here. So maybe that's an extra. All right. We also have relaxing and cleansing bath soak, charcoal infused Dead Sea salt, and tea tree infused Himalayan salt. Y'all, I think this is the exact thing that came spilled that I was telling you about. I wonder if she sent me another one. Look, the retail price on the back is $13.99. And that is also not on the card. So talk about a company that goes above and beyond. And I do pay for this out of my pocket. I'm not sponsored for it. I'm just starting this. They don't even know I'm reviewing it. So talk about amazing. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh gosh, y'all. They put jewelry in here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like they're cut out of wood. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Look at that. It's a set of 4. Okay. Look at that. That's awesome. Hang on, let's see. All right, forgive me if it's taken a minute. I just recently, I quit wearing earrings for a long time, and my holes kind of started to grow back in, so I just recently punched back through them, so they're sore and swollen, and I don't even think I'm going to be able to get it in. Sorry about that. I wanted y'all to be able to see what it looked like in. All right, hang on. I'm gonna pause you and see if I can work this out for you. Y'all, as soon as I paused it, they went right in. I think it's just me. This is Callie. She is one of my 3 kitties. Callie, say hi to the camera. Say hi. You hear her say hi? But look, okay. They're so cute. And they're lightweight, which is great. That is amazing. All right, let's see. Earring set, retail price $24.99. That is so cool. And you know they're handmade, which to me makes them so much more special. I love that, y'all. I absolutely love that. All right, what else do we have? A necklace. Let me just pop this open. My cat wants to change it now that I said her name. She's all in my lap, so I'm having to go over. You can see her tail right here. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. That's awesome. Don't you just love jewelry that, you know, as soon as you get it, you just have to put it on? Callie wants to check it out. She says, is it for me? You think you could let the camera see? There you go. This would be cute with a turtleneck. And then, yeah, that's nice. I like that. Okay, did I tell you? Art Deco style necklace, $19.99. What is this? Wow. Okay. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to go like this or if it's supposed to go like this. They could have put a little glue on here. Okay, I'm gonna fire a little bit. Let's see. I think it goes the other way. Okay. This is an earring holder. It says $27.99. I don't know. It feels a little flimsy for $27.99, but it's adorable. And I do need places to put my earrings. All right, let's see what else we got. Soft pocket. Just put me under the cushion and let me hang over the arm. Huh. Okay. It's a sofa pocket. Okay, I get it. Yeah. You know, you can put your remotes and stuff in there. Or, you know, paper and a pen if you needed. And you just lay it over the arm of your sofa. You know, if you have a little cover that goes over the arm of your sofa and it just, y'all can't even see what I'm doing, y'all. Very cute. Very neat. Honestly, I haven't seen one of these little sofa pockets since I used to go to my papa's when I was little, my grandfather. And he loved his sofa pockets. I think he had one on each arm. And he would keep his remotes and everything there, his glasses, whatever he needed. Love the nostalgia of it. Cute little pattern. Nice gold. Cute little pom-poms. I'm not sure if my cats will leave the little pom-poms alone, but we will find out. Retail price, $24.99. All right, that was it for this box. I'm gonna look up and I will put underneath here the information about the website, how much the box is, you know, if you can do it monthly, bi-monthly, whatever. Mine's coming monthly, but I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you thought of the products. Let me know what you thought about me. Subscribe, like my video, dislike my video, whatever you want to do. Just, you know, reach out. be part of a community. That's what I'm trying to do, instead of just, you know, staying at home safe during Corona. It's 2021 now. Let's start being more together and respecting one another. Y'all have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.